on your Windows settings, and it should open up the Hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can set the Arc browser as your default browser. So we're back again with another Arc browser tutorial. For this one, this is gonna be easy, and I will have two ways in dealing with this, with two solutions for this in order to set your Arc browser to your default browser. So wait, you actually have three. Okay, so first of all, you have the first one, which is through your installation. So we can go through this previous video that we've made on installing Arc browser, and through the installation process you can come up through the importation of the bookmarks that you have in the back. Previous one, once we press next, you also have another bookmark, but after this you have the option to make Arc your default browser. So if you haven't installed Arc yet, once you're doing your installation process, you should have the option to do this so you can make your Arc browser default, so you can start with another browsing experience. Another method is through the browser itself. So let's go back to Arc browser. So here we are on Arc browser. So what you can do is you can head here on the top left corner of your screen, click it, and the very first option here is to set Arc as your default browser. So if you want to set it as your default browser, you can just click it and it should set Arc as your default browser. Another method is search up default apps on your Windows settings, and it should open up the default apps that your PC would use to open such file formats. So for example, let's find Arc here, and as you can see right now, the default apps to open HTML files or links such as HTTP or HTTPS is Opera.js. You can change it to Arc by clicking here, make Arc your default browser. You can click set default, but if you just want to set Arc for certain file types, you can just click on the file type that you have here and click on Arc. Then it is now set to default both HTTP and HTTPS. So the next time you're gonna open a link, an HTTP link, it will open Arc instead. So that's it. That is how you can set Arc as your default browser. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.